taking a stand against bullying. It's Unity Day, and students and teachers across the district are wearing orange to show support for kids who have been bullied. Here at Coosa Elementary School, military mothers were holding signs and greeting kids as they entered the building. The school's hallways are also decorated with artwork students created for Unity Day, and kids are writing inspirational messages on big orange hearts as a way to spread kindness.
Help everybody in it makes them feel happier.
Some art students also created kindness flowers, and they'll be spread throughout the community.
When someone picks it, like we'll put it in like a big basket or whatever, and then we'll send it off to different schools. And whoever picks it, they'll get like your quote, and they'll have like a better day because they know that someone was like sending kindness to them.
I wrote live with a purpose. So if you are just being if you feel down and you don't feel like doing anything, that if you see this, it kind of pushes you to go forward.
Middle school students across the district watched drama students from Buford High School perform See Something, Say Something. It's a play that helps teach kids about the different types of bullying.
And we're here today to talk to you about bullying.
Letting kids know that what they may be doing is wrong, and what we can do to help the kids that are getting bullied out.
Here at Robert Smalls International Academy, students enjoyed watching the performance and learning about ways they can prevent bullying.
What I really liked about the play is how they made events and how each type of bullying worked and how it was caused and stopped.
Unity Day started in 2011 as a part of National Bullying Prevention Month. For the Beaufort County School District, Ron Lopes.